Hello, everybody. I am Leland Biscup, and within this speech, it is my purpose to deliver accurate information regarding many of the factors that are paramount in understanding the career of civil engineer. Roads, water lines, sewers, and even city design. These are all things which we tend to take for granted without appreciating the work which civil engineers put into them. The Penn State College of Engineering describes civil engineers as innovative leaders, skilled problem solvers, and groundbreaking researchers. Despite this, civil engineering is often overlooked in comparison to mechanical or chemical engineering. I, like many young people, do not know exactly what I want to do with my life as I grow older and prepare to declare a college major. It is therefore my goal to offer some insight into the potential of civil engineering as a career. Civil engineers endure at least 4 years of comprehensive education in order to enter a growing sector of engineering, specializing in day-to-day infrastructure projects. These 4 years of education often involve going through college and developing problem-solving skills. College is a must for civil engineers. The article, How to Become a Civil Engineer, published by US News, explained that civil engineers are expected to have a bachelor's in engineering at the very least. Furthermore, many overseeing engineers are expected to have obtained a master's degree, generally requiring 6 years of course load. Despite this, college does not provide all of the necessary skills to succeed. Civil engineers are expected to have good problem-solving skills in order to be considered for a job. These skills are generally developed outside of school through programs like internships. Civil engineers carry out many day-to-day tasks as they apply their education at the workplace. Civil engineers have a pivotal role in carrying out infrastructure projects. In the article, What Civil Engineers Do, by Penn State, it is made clear that civil engineers are those who are responsible for the vast majority of public infrastructure, including the construction and expansion of things like highways. Civil engineers may also be called on to generate infrastructure for large companies. Moreover, civil engineers are often present at every level of execution, from the job site to the boardroom. Civil engineers are often put in charge of overseeing construction of infrastructure at the ground level. In contrast, higher level civil engineers are typically responsible for drafting plans and coordinating projects on a larger scale. Civil engineering is expected to grow as a result of a constant need for infrastructure. Civil engineering is expected to grow on par or faster than most fields. According to the Occupational Outlook Handbook site, the job outlook from 2021 to 2031 is expected to climb about 7% compared to an average of about 5%. It is becoming more and more common for specialized civil engineers to be called on rather than their less specialized counterparts. Civil engineering will also be growing with the population. The population is constantly growing, which leaves a need for civil engineers to continue developing more and more infrastructure. Furthermore, as pieces of infrastructure break down or become obsolete, civil engineers will be needed to ensure that infrastructure is able to keep up with an expanding world and improving technology. In conclusion, civil engineering is a field in which problem-solving skills are necessary, along with a college education. Furthermore, civil engineers help to make the world work more efficiently as they design and plan infrastructure on every level of operation, from the job site to the boardroom. Civil engineering is expected to be a constantly growing field as it must keep up with the needs of a growing and developing civilization. Whether you view civil engineering as a potential career or not, it is evident that civil engineers play an instrumental, yet taken for granted, part in helping the world run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you, everybody, for watching my speech.